Hey kids, welcome to section 5.4 unit pricing. Today we're going to learn how to determine the unit price of an item. And you might wonder, hey, many items come in different sizes. How do you know which size is the best one to buy? How do you decide? You got the big box of granola bars, you got the little box of granola bars. How do you decide which box to purchase? That's what we're talking about today. So, grocery stores often give something called a unit price for their products. I gave three examples here at the bottom. They're usually on the shelf that the item sits on. And if we use something called unit pricing, then we're using a technique that allows shoppers to compare the prices of various items. You can use this information to determine which size of a product is the best buy based on prices. So, for example, this pricing sticker on the left says that Cheerios 12 ounces is 24.9 cents an ounce. This 15-ounce box of Cheerios is 26.3 cents per ounce. So the bigger box in this case is more expensive than the smaller box. Now, sometimes unit prices are not in a pretty little yellow or orange box. They might just be somewhere where it says unit price. So you're going to have to look carefully. Now, to find the actual unit price, if it's not given to you on the sticker, you take the price of the item and you divide by how many you have. Price divided by amount. So let's take a look at some of these examples on how we can use unit pricing. So, example number one, a case of 24 cans of Mountain Dew costs $6.79. A 12 pack costs $3.49. Find the cost for one can of soda in each package. All right, well, if we are doing a case of Mountain Dew, we're going to take the price, $6.79, and we're going to divide by the amount, 24. If I do that, I get 28 cents per can. Now, you always want to express your unit rate as a per something. I kind of skipped over that sentence on the last slide. Your unit price should be expressed as some number per some amount. So $4.50 per pound, $1.25 per granola bar. You are always expressing your unit price as a per something. So 28 cents per can. If I look at the 12 pack, again, I'm going to take the price, $3.49, divide by the amount. This time it's 12, and I'm going to get 29 cents per can. So in this case, it is a penny cheaper per can to buy a case at a time. So it's kind of like saving yourself 24 cents. If that's a big deal to you, then go for it. All right, example number two. At the toy store, you could get two board games for $13.68. Online, the price for three board games is $26.84. Which place has the highest price for a board game and by how much? Well, I need to find the unit price of both of them. So at the toy store, we can take the price, $13.68, and divide by the amount, 2. This tells me that it's $6.84 per game. So that's if I go to the store. If I shop online, I can pay $26.84 for three board games. Well, this comes out to a unit price of $8.95 per game. So in this situation, which place has the highest price for the board game? Online definitely has the highest. And it says by how much. So I can take the price of each and subtract. $8.95 minus $6.84. This gives us a difference of $2.11. So if you are going to need 3 eventually, you can save yourself $2 a game by getting 2 right now at the toy store and then maybe purchasing later. Okay, example number 3, a fast food restaurant had 2 boxes of chicken nuggets for $5.16. A competing restaurant had 5 boxes of chicken fingers for $15.12. Which restaurant's food had a lower unit price and by how much? All right, well, we got nuggets and we got fingers. Chicken nuggets and chicken fingers. All right, the chicken nuggets are $5.16 for 2 boxes. So that comes out to $2.58 per box. The chicken fingers are $15.12 and you get 5 boxes. That's $3.02 per box. So which restaurant's food had a lower unit price? Well, it looks like the nugs win. So the nuggets, why am I having, okay. Nuggets at First Restaurant were lower. And by how much? Well, subtract $3.02 minus $2.58. That gives us a difference of 44 cents. Not a ton of money, but every penny counts. Okay. So we can use unit pricing in other ways. So for example, a pet store was selling mice, 2 for $4.84. If they ended up selling 6 mice, how much money would they have earned? Well, if I can figure out the unit price for each mouse, then I can figure out how much 6 is. So let's see, per mouse, I can take the $4.84 and I can divide by 2. This tells me that each mouse is $2.42 per mouse. So if I want to purchase 6 of them and each one is $2.42, I get $14.52 for 6 of them. So find the unit price and then buy how many you need. Okay, there was one other way that I could have done this problem. Since I'm buying 3 times as many mice, I could have done 3 times $4.84. You still get $14.52 if you do it that way. Now, that does not always work, so I would encourage you to do it with the unit price. All right, example number 5, the book fair had a sale where 5 books were $36.90. If you wanted to buy 4 books, how much money would you need? Well, I can take the price of all 5 books, $36.90, divide by 5. This tells me that each book is $7.38. So if I want to purchase 4 of them, I do 4 times $7.38. This gives me $29.52. Notice that buying 4 books for $29.52 was cheaper than buying 5 books for $36.90. So that answer that you get, since we're buying less, should be less. Okay, example number 6. This is a very fancy restaurant. At a restaurant, 3 hot dogs cost $82.86. Those have got to be like some fancy type of hot dog with edible gold on it or something. So let's see, for the hot dogs, I have $82.86 for 3 hot dogs. I get $27.62 per dog. Man, edible gold. Then I have 2 hamburgers for $55.12. So we got a burger, we pay $55.12 and we get 2. This is $27.56 per burger. So the question is, which food has the lower unit price? Well, $27.56 is lower by 6 pennies So we're going to say the burgers. Burgers have the lower unit price. All right, kids, that's the end of section 5.4. If you have any questions, please let me know. And as always, keep calm and keep trucking.